Interested in making quick, beautiful cards without any effort? You can buy this kit from Amazon that gives you 100 of these beautiful cards only for $10. You can make it as simple as folding the card in half, and it's already pre-scored for you, and put your sentiment here and whatever you want to write inside. You can also put your favorite, I like butterflies, you could put a butterfly, put dimension on it, put a foam tape on the back, and it gives it a different look. So you got this simple, you know, one layer but still beautiful, but then you've got this, you know, one layer beautiful watercolor, but you've got the butterfly to give it more interest. For the blues, which is basically like you saw me, I just folded it, use a bone folder. And for this one, to make it a little bit 3D, because I like 3D, I'm just going to put a foam tape, find an ephemera that you like. Again, I like butterflies, so I'm going to put butterflies on here. And this one I'm going to center. So very easy 3D effect, you know, no stamping at all needed. Just very pretty and easy, and it will fit that envelope. This might require, it shouldn't be too much. It doesn't require extra stamps, but that's it. You put your sentiment down here and you can send it off and it's done. So let's do one that's just the card itself. This one I find really pretty. I like the colors, I like the little butterfly there. But literally, we take where the score line is, do our bone folder, put a sentiment wherever you want it to be, and that's it. You're done. So you can make 100 of these cards. I will plan on using mine for Etsy for my thank you cards. And it's just so quick and so easy to make. So I bought some ephemera from Michael's, different butterflies, different colors. I've got bees, I even have moth and ladybugs. But these are a little bit too big for the cards, but you can definitely do whatever you prefer. I'm not at home, so I bought these just as a kit to make for you guys. So when I get home, I will definitely use my own supplies to make more butterflies or whatever and make it even pretty. And I'll show you guys that, more versions of this towards the end. So here you go. That's done. So like I said, all you need is the envelope. So for this one here, fits, there's room, and it's not thick at all. So easy. And I mean, you can't go wrong with 10 bucks and 100 cards, right? And they're just so beautiful. So let's make one more with the blue and the purple. Just fold it in half. I like to make sure it lays flat. But there you go. And then so this one, I like to tie the purple and the blue with the gold to make it pop. This one I'm going to kind of angle because I want to showcase the purples and the blue. Still going to bend it to give it a 3D dimension. So I'm going to put it right here, and then just press it down. Make sure it doesn't go off the page. There you go. Pretty easy, huh? And then you can put your sentiments anywhere here. And since they already have this envelope out, again, a lot of room, no problem to put that card the extra dimension. And you've got a nice note card to give to teachers, especially around this time with graduation coming up. Very easy to make and give away. So Hope you guys like this project. It's very easy. I didn't even use any stamps with this one. The kit, the cards are beautiful. You get 4 different designs. And I get the last design here. You get 4 of them. And you can even make a card kit. You know, you can put it all together like this. Take 4 envelopes. Like so. You can tie a ribbon, and then it's a gift set to give to a teacher, to anybody who loves beautiful cards. So let me know if you guys have any questions, and hopefully you guys like this project as much as I do. Thank you guys. Bye.